don't have to make a big change for it to be a mighty or a powerful change. You never know where you're going to find inspiration. My passion is for supporting the undocumented Latino community in the United States and to work to help end the dehumanization and the criminalization of this community. You as well. So we're on our way to a pop-up event with a local charity called Refuweegee. It's kind of an event where people can go and pick up different items that they need, all for free, which is awesome. And we're gonna go help out. My first thoughts about Refuweegee are I love the community-centric aspect of it. It reminds me a lot of what I was doing at home, of trying to engage the local community to come together and support the immigrant and refugee population. Very good pals. Yeah. What got you to start Refuweegee?
There was a news clip towards the end of October where the Hungarian border had closed and a father was faced with border control, and the space that he was in with his tiny baby in a papoose on his front was being filled with tear gas, water cannons, and my daughter at the time was about a year old, and that was the point that I was like, no. So I wanted to find out what happened when people came to Glasgow, and I wanted to make sure that when people came, they were embraced. So we decided to do welcome packs. Every welcome pack that goes out has a personalised, usually handwritten welcome message. I first decided that I wanted them to be in all of our welcome packs because it was really important to me that everybody had a way to participate.
Thank you. We're on our way to Milk Café. It was started by two Glasgow alums, Gabby Clunas and Angela Ireland. It focuses specifically on supporting refugee and immigrant women.
Bye-bye.
I did. I really did. The cafe is a two-way street. It's not all just the cafe giving to these women. And yes, they are getting something out of it. These women, they're getting job skills and they are improving their English. Also about what those women are giving back to the cafe. And they are using the agency that they have. They're choosing to pour it back into their new home and their community. Things that can help displaced persons are really just the everyday basic things that I think a lot of us take for granted. It's the small act of feeling welcomed. But what I loved about our conversations with Refuweegee and Selena is that she's made it even easier to do something to welcome people, and that's as simple as writing a welcoming letter, like making someone feel that someone's happy that they're there and that they are welcome. You do have the ability to make a change. You just need to take the first step and understand you might get it wrong sometimes, but when you get it right, that is going to be so much more important and make it all worth it in the end.